Thank you. Thank you so much. Your Excellency, the President, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Your Excellency, the First Lady, CSS who are here, governors who are here, Mutanisamia, because of protocols. I only know how to run, but I don't know how to follow the protocols. But we are really, really, truly grateful for this morning. Tumefurahi sana kukaribishwa nyumbani. As a team captain, naesema we give it all. We give it all. The competition out there, it was competitive. Hata mimi nilikuwa nimesema hii that time naona ikipotea hapa. But I'm really grateful I could defend my title, and thank you for the opportunity I was given to lead the team to Paris. It was my first time to be the team captain, and then tukakuja number 17 overall, number 17 worldwide. So I'm so grateful. So Your Excellency, we are so grateful with the support from the government, from the ministry, NOC, Athletics Kenya, our fans from all over the world, from America, Paris, tulipata ugali. Thank you so much. At least tulipata hiyo managu ili to strengthen kabisa. Thank you, Paris, for the good host wali to host huko. First and foremost, let me say thank you. Penye CS aliarrive huko, at least tulipata national anthem pili hiyo siku. I was surprised. And thank you so much. What I mean is, like, for the CS to come there and join us as athletes, nilishanga alikuwa kwa bus pia. I was surprised kumuona kwa bus ya kwenda village na kuzunguka hapo kwa uwanja. So it was really good to see him around. And for the motivation, it was really good for the athletes na tukangangana. So I don't have much to say, but thank you so much for the support. At least mutasema kitu munataka nianze kuambiana. So at least we are home. At least we are home, tumekaribishwa. But thank you, Your Excellency, for the warm welcome. We are really, truly grateful. Tumeona tumekaribishwa. Watu walikuwa niliulizwa na chef jana, uliona Botswana venye walikaribishwa? Nikasema acha tungoje yetu asubuhi. And this is it. So we are really, really grateful. You know, at least to motivate kama elite athletes, especially I, defending title for the third time, back to back. That was not an easy task. Najua nimemotivate Faith hapo. Bado ni mdogo, she was our last one of the team. So yeah, thank you so much. Asanteni sana. Thank you for coming, and may God bless you all. Thank you.
Another round of applause for the captain, Faith Kipyegon. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, next I would like to invite the Cabinet Secretary for Youth Affairs Sports, Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen. Tupige makofi.